I just thought I'd give you a quick run through the cables I'm using for this build. This fan controller is using three pin extensions here, and then onto each of these I've got another one to go on there. I'm using the included Sunbeam 3-pin to Molex adapters, which is going to be for the fans in the Antic 1200. So I'm using those. I've also got a bag here of different things. It might be some use to some people. We've got in here, I may or may not use these, but they're good to have. We have one Molex two Molex splitter. Got 3 of those. Buy 2 and get 1 free. We also have the other 3-pin to Molex, which I'm going to use on the other fan. And a big bag of things here, which I'll just go through, because someone might want to know. Okay, so we've got HDMI cable for the monitor. Multi-silver 5, that's my cable. There's a SATA cable that was free with my order, but it's red and not very nice, so I won't be using that. We have a SATA 3 cable. This is a Scan cable from Scan, one of their own ones, with latching cables. This is 90 centimeters, I think. So yeah, it's really big. So it's going to be really good to run around the case. Nice black one as well. I'm also using, do this one first, NZXT extension cables. These are really good if you're lazy like me and you don't want to sleeve a cable, because these are already sleeved, and they're also individually sleeved as well. So there you go. This is an 8-pin, which also splits, he says. Oh, I see, it slides. There you go. So it splits into 4 if you've got an older power supply. So you've got 8-pin extension, and then every individually sleeved cable. So look a lot nicer in the case. You will need an 8-pin pretty much all the time, so it's good to have one. So there's an 8-pin there, and also got a trying to get into it without cutting my hands over. 24-pin as well. This is 24. It's not a breakaway one, so 24-pin or nothing. So these are this long. God, they're really stiff, these cables to open. So there you go. That must be 25 centimeters. Probably say on the packet, wouldn't it? It doesn't. Made in Los Angeles. So using those as well. So just in case you were wondering, also using another 6 gigabit per second cable for the hard drive, which is in the Asus Sabertooth motherboard box. There's 2 of those in there. So there's the cables I'm using, guys, just in case you wanted to see. But I would recommend these NZXT cables because they're really nice. You can't see through the sleeving either. So good cables if you don't want to sleeve them like I didn't. So there we go. Thanks for checking it out, and more on the way. Cheers, guys.